Yeah, a bit something different from what.
Take care.
Get a bit nervous when you point at something.
That's why I moved out of the way.
Whoa. Premier guns. They're always busy like that, mate. They always got loads of guns, premier guns. Oh my god. It's like a charity gunsmith. Look at that. The amount of guns they have. I think I need to make a wider zoom. Look at that, the guns they have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful. Very nice. Hiya. What one is the best product you have? They're all best, but the best.
VIP Experience Berettas on that. Just
On the
over
top?
there. So where those guys are looking at this way.
Yeah.
It's the VIP guns there.
IP guns.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So look that way. Should we see there's a label. Beretta
Right.
VIP.
Okay. Is anyone there who can explain me about that? If you don't mind.
Not this second, no. We'll have a look and just see when we'll take
Sure.
it from there.
No problem. Oh, we're very, very busy, guys. Oh, look at it. Yeah, raffles. Oh my god. Oh my god.